Welcome to the Splash Landings Hotel at the Alton Towers Resort. We're staying tonight in a beachcomber room. And when you first come in, first thing you see, bathroom to your right. Single vanity, toilet, and a bath with a shower. It's got some really cool prints on the wall, actually. Like a little seagull, water tower. Look at the Alton Towers sandcastle, that's so cute. And then you've got your ironing board and iron and some hangers just to your left. And as you come through, you've got a desk with some storage, pineapple lamp, mirrors, and your tea and coffee making stuff. Turning around, we have the bunk bed for the kids and the double bed for the adults. They both have a side table, however, no plugs by the bed. There is some over here on the desk. No air conditioning, but there is a fan above the bed. So I'm guessing through summer it can get pretty hot in this room. There is heating, I did notice though. So there's a radiator, so great through winter, maybe not so much through summer. And then we've got a little view out the window. The window opens up out onto this little area. You can like look out and there's some little carvings in the wall. And then one final cool detail, the floor's a beach. Like literally, sand beach. Water starfishes, that's pretty cool. And I like the little birds everywhere.
There's loads of birds.
Yeah, very tropical themed. And that's it. That's the beachcomber room at the Splash Landings Hotel at the Alton Towers Resort.